Hello friends, my name is Hamid. I'm working on a Samsung front load washing machine. The way it looks, I'm going to show you the model and serial number, which is located right here. This is the model and serial number. The customer's complaint is when they're closing the door, it does not stay closed. See? Of course, if it's not closing, the washer cannot start. Let's try it and see what happens. So it says DE door, means that we have problem with the door not closing. So I will show you how to fix this without replacement of any part. Turn it off. You need a hook like this, something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect like this. You can always use a coat hanger and bend the tip of it with a plier, with one of these pliers you have. Bend the tip of it that looks kind of L shape or like that, like a hook. And then what you can do is, I'm going to show you the problem here. You see the way the door lock looks? It looks in closed position. That means that the door is closed. So if the door is closed, then why the washer is not starting? The reason the washer is not starting because we also have another switch here. So if I press the switch while the door is open and it's closed and in closed position, my washer is gonna start working. So I'm gonna try this. Power it on. I'm gonna press this with finger and okay, I guess I cannot reach. I'm gonna use my phone. See, it has started. The washer has started now. Just keep eye on it. And I also don't want to waste too much time here. So it's running, right? I'm gonna turn it off. And the door is trying to lock and unlock. Try this. It's still nothing. So what you can do is you have to hold this hook and push it inside there. You see that lever, that black piece? Push it behind that. See? It's behind it. See? From here, push it behind that thing and then turn it. You can see that. And now pull hard on it. Here. It's good now. And let's see. The door is closing. So let's start it now. Here, the washer is running now. I'm gonna run it for a couple of seconds to see if the washer starts or not. And I also want to confirm to make sure that the door switch or door lock assembly is not the whole problem. So it's locked now. I'm just gonna wait until it fills a little bit water. Once it fills with water, I'm gonna turn it off and see if the door is unlocking. If the door is unlocking, that means this trick fixed the whole problem. But if it's not unlocking, then of course we need to replace the whole switch assembly. It's running now. Come on, fill with water. You know, you honestly don't have to wait for the water to fill. Just turn it off. So it unlocked itself. Now we can open the door. See, it's an original normal position from the factory. So now I'll close it again. Press it again. Power it on. Press start. Okay. Try it again. It's gonna unlock. Here, Bob is your uncle. Again. Close, open, close, open. I'm just gonna try it one more time and then I'm gonna close the video. So, running. let's see. Yes. Turn it off. Okay. So what causes this? If the customer is trying to pull the washer out, they kind of, if the door is on not unlocked, or the washer is running for some reason and the customer is trying to force it open, this can happen. Or once in a while, when the door lock gets old over time, this can happen once in a while, and the solution is to use a hook like this, and instead of replacement of the part, that takes care of the problem. Again, I'm gonna repeat this. If the same thing is happening again and again, see, it's in normal factory position. If the same thing is happening again and again, please replace your door lock assembly. There's 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. You remove those. Of course, the spring comes out. There's a tiny spring at the back here. This one, it's a retaining clip, they call it a spring. You remove this, push the door gasket on the side. I'm sure there's thousands of videos showing you how to replace the switch, but you don't have to replace it. If again, this might be one of the service calls that I get in 5-7 years. I don't get this kind of call all the time, but if I have a call like this, I usually go with a brand new door lock in hand. If the customer really needs it, I'll replace it. If they don't need it, I'm just gonna use this trick and take care of the problem. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hamid Appliances Repair. Thank you.